Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So it's about 10 in the morning and I'm making my list for today. This is my do not forget list. So I'm pretty excited. My mom bought these. They're little bagels with like sesame seeds. So I'm about to make a breakfast sandwich. Just did an egg and I'm gonna put ham and cheese, and I'm just toasting, but fail right here. So it's too big. So I just got ready and I'm pretty much done, and I'm gonna go out to the store now. I just got to Forever 21 and I'm gonna go in there and see what I find, and I'll show you guys if I find anything exciting or cool or good. The Five Below. So homegirl's at Dollar Tree right now, just buying candies. This is going on the vlog. How cute is this Lisa Frank thing? So cute. They honestly have a good selection. Alright, so it's Friday today, and yes, it's been a few days since I vlogged, but I just didn't do anything yesterday. But I do have some stuff to show you guys from when I went to the store. I went to Ulta and I got a bunch of lashes. So these are my favorite lashes, and I just always stock up when I'm there. Also, as you can see from my lips, I'm wearing a red-orange type lip, and I've just been on a hunt, and I think this is the perfect one. It's perfect for summer, and it's just that vibrant red-orange color. And this is by Wet n Wild, and it's called Liquid Catsuit in the color Flame of the Game. So this is what I am wearing. I'll do a close-up. So this is what I'm wearing, and it just looks so bright and so pretty, and I really like it. Another lip color that I got is ColourPop's Mama, and it looks like this. It's also like a red-orange color, but I would say this is a lot darker. Also picked up some swimsuits. So I am going to Vegas this summer in July, and I decided to pick this one up. It's just a halter open back. Got another open back like this, and it's a striped one. Also, I got a really cute book yesterday from Five Below. This is called The Wisdom of Unicorns, and it looks like this. And the back looks like this. And oh my gosh, like I am in love. Like this is me in a book, and it just has like a lot of quotes and like little like tips, and just it's kind of weird, but it's kind of interesting. I also love that it has like pictures and stuff, so I have been really loving this. So I got some shoes. I'm super excited. I liked how comfortable they were, and this is how they look like. I really love the color, and I love how they can be dressed casually as well with like some jeans. So I got these pair of jeans from Hollister. These are my favorite type of jeans. If you guys are petite like me, Hollister is your store. They're high-waisted and they just have a bunch of rips. I also got these pair of wedges. I feel like I'm going to use them a lot in the summertime, and I feel like I could pair them with like the bathing suits that I got.
And they were on clearance, so that's a plus.
Hi guys, so it's Saturday today and I'm actually ready. I have my red-orange lips on today, as well as this cute shirt that I got, and I'm going to be doing a couple things. Pretty excited. Oh my god. So I get this big box right here, and I'm like, what did I order from Amazon? And I was so confused, and then I look inside. Look at this. I'm definitely gonna check these out and see like what it is. I love the packaging. It's such a cute color. Downtown Disney. They're like taking a bath. nice. Haagen-Dazs.
Come on. You know what I mean?
You're almost done with the Rocky Road ice cream. Oh my god.